Hi, I'm Audrey with Therm-a-Rest, here to show you how to turn your luxury light cot into an awesome freestanding solo shelter with our Therm-a-Rest cot tent. First, lay out the cot tent's bug shelter, making sure that the pole clips are facing up. Then, assemble the poles. Next, attach your bug shelter to your cot's corners and feet using the sewn-in loop straps on the shelter. After attaching the bug shelter, cinch the webbing tensioners located at each corner to reduce any slack between the cot and the bug shelter. Now you can insert the poles into the corner grommets of the bug shelter. Then hook the shelter's clips to the poles. The final step is centering the rain fly over the shelter by aligning the tent and fly doors. Velcro tabs inside the fly attach to either side of the pole's apex. Then you can stake out all four corners of the fly and tighten as needed. Now all you have to do is enjoy a comfy cot experience with the added privacy and weather protection of the Therm-a-Rest cot tent.
For sleeping in style during your camping trip, the Kamp-Rite tent cot is the answer. It's comfortable, durable, and easy to set up. Made from strong materials, it's stood up well to several camping trips. We've even used this one at home when we needed a mattress for a guest. On top of that, you can also use this cot as a chair or table, too. With a few adjustments, your bed becomes a chair in the blink of an eye. This tent cot is one of the best ones on the market if you want to take the comfort of your bed at home to the campsite. If you are on the hunt for a small and portable camping bed and cot combo, the Kamp-Rite Original Size Tent Cot camping bed for one person is a good option to consider. This model is designed for a single person, and yes, it does have enough length and width to fit one person with ease, but you definitely won't be fitting a second person in it. The Kamp-Rite Original Size Tent Cot camping bed is made with very durable nylon. You can choose to set up the roof or not, so it works like a lounge chair, cot, and tent. Moreover, it has a base that keeps you a full 11 inches off the ground, which is great if you are worried about keeping warm and dry.